Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. In this video, we are reviewing braiding hair that can also be used as crochet hair. The color on this hair is so fun. The Amazon Prime vendor that sells this hair is called Bethany. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you this hair. The first goodie that I see is a small package with an assortment of rubber bands. I'm sure this will be handy in the future. And then the other free goodie in the bag is a little makeup sponge. This will definitely come into use. Matter of fact, I actually did need a new powder puff sponge, so this is perfect timing for me. Thank you. Okay, other than those two items, we have the hair. I don't know if you can tell, but they do give you 6 bags of hair. This should be plenty of braiding hair for whatever hairstyle you are trying to accomplish. So let's go ahead and open one of these bad boys up. Okay, so we have our little bundle. I will say this crease is not good. Like, they need to find a better way to package the hair in the overall package, because nobody wants to have this crease in their braiding hair. Like, really? You can go to the hair store right now and find this kind of braiding hair, and it will not have a crease like this. Like, the packaging should be completely straight, because this is a straight pattern hair. So I don't know what's going on, but they definitely need to look into changing that. But anyways, that's my first impression, other than I love the color. Like, this is blue, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. The first topic is initial shedding. This is shedding. There are some hairs loose for some reason. There is hair coming out of this bundle. The bundle is still connected. I haven't disconnected it, and we have hair coming out of the bottom. Like, this is an abundance of hair. Oh, but you know what? I see why. This right here at the top is not tacked in with a rubber band. So it's basically one of those twisting bands to hold the hair together, and then they have a paper band holding it right here with a piece of duct tape. So the hair is not going to be 100% securely together as you would expect braiding hair to be. Normally I see braiding hair with a rubber band at the top or something other than a twisting ribbon, but whatever. This is braiding hair, so it's fine. Just know that the hair is not 100% locked in, tight. I will say the only good thing about that is when it's time to separate the hair, you don't have to worry about cutting it, because normally there's a rubber band, so I would use scissors to cut it, and sometimes I cut hair strands. So in a way, this is better because you can actually just unwind it at the top instead of cutting it. I'm not mad at you. I see the strategy. Or the hair strands are literally breaking off because they are not strong, or the hair could be old. Who knows with Amazon? Who knows? Next topic is true to length. This is supposed to be 24 inches long, so we can go ahead and double check that. Okay, they are right on the money. Like, the 24-inch mark is right here. This black box right here indicates the 24-inch mark, and the hair ends reach the 24-inch mark even with the crease. So, true to length, go ahead and give them a point. Hands down. We can't deny you that. So, this is true to length. Okay, so the next topic is smell. This hair smells like nothing. There is no smell. There is no odor. And this is a synthetic yaki hair. So, with synthetic hair, I would expect an odor, but not this hair right here. So, kudos to that. Texture. The hair texture is soft. It definitely feels like yaki hair. I do not feel like this hair would irritate my scalp at all. The texture is really nice. It's not dry. The hair feels good. It feels nice. So kudos to that. The hair pattern is yaki straight, or at least it's supposed to be straight. And as far as tangles, there aren't any tangles. I'm not having any issues combing my fingers through this hair. But the more that I comb my fingers through this hair, the more hair that is on my lap. But tangle free. And then the hair ends look good. The hair ends look how I would expect braiding hair to appear. So the hair feels nice. I would love to rock this hair for sure. And the hair moves well. It has good volume. At least it has a good enough volume being that it is braiding hair. So the hair is pretty thick. It's a good amount of hair per bundle. So that's what's up. So to kind of give you an idea, the hair ends right here are blue 100%. You can see that. What you might not be able to see on the camera is that between here and here, this middle section on the bundle, it actually has streaks of blue hair all throughout. So it's kind of like alternating between the 1B black and the blue color all throughout the bundle. So that's really pretty. And then here at the top is mostly 1B black. They have this kind of braiding hair in a variety of colors. Like they have just about every color you can think of. So definitely check out this hair vendor. The link will be down in the description. Overall, I'm going to rate this hair a 9 out of 10. This hair should be ready to go. I shouldn't have to do any extra manipulation to it. If you're going to braid it, fine. If you're going to crochet it, you don't want to have this little crease in the hair. Like this is a no-go. This is not okay. Definitely the vendor needs to go back to the drawing board and assess the packaging for this hair, and then you will be good to go. We have a few little but I think overall this hair would be really nice to rock as braids or as crochet hair. Whatever it is, it's going to be really pretty and you will definitely stand out. This is a statement piece right here, okay? So that's all for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye!